Welcome to the channel. Logarithmic equations can be challenging, but with the right techniques, they become manageable. In this video, we'll tackle the equation by two approaches to find the solution. Let's start with the equation. Take a log on both sides with the base 3. Now observe the left hand side expression. Observe this power. This log x with base 3, it looks like a power. So now you have to use the logarithm power rule property here. So what is the power rule property? Log of a power m times log a. Same like that, write our expression. In the power we have log x with base 3. So log x with base 3 times, and the remaining part is log x with base 3. Log x with base 3. This is log x with base 3 and this is times log x with base 3. So when you multiply you will get log x base 3 whole power 2. So after simplifying the left hand side expression, we got log x base 3 whole power 2. Just write that. That is equal to, now observe the right hand side expression. So that is in the form of log of AB. So now you have to use product rule of logarithm. So log of AB, we can write this as log A plus log B. So use this property here. Then we can write log 81 with base 3 plus log x raised to the power of 3 with base 3. Now observe this 81. 81 we can write it as 3 raised to the power of 4. 3 raised to the power of 4 is nothing but 81. So instead of 81 we can write 3 raised to the power of 4. Now again it is in the form of power. So we can use power rule property of logarithm. Log of a power m, that is equal to m into log a. So use that property here. This whatever in the power, it comes stay in front. That means we have 4 in the power. The 4 comes and stay in front. So this is 4 times log 3 with base 3. So now observe this log 3 with base 3. We know that the value is 1. So 4 times 1, the value is 4. Now observe this expression. Here also we have 3 in the power. So using the same power rule property, this 3 also comes and stay in front. So that means we will get 3 times log x with base 3. After simplifying the right hand expression, we got this 4 plus 3 times log x with base 3. Now we have log x base 3 whole power 2, and here also 3 times log x with base 3. To make it easier, let us consider a equal to log x with base 3. So then our equation turns into a power 2, that is equal to 4 plus 3 times this turns into a. So when you send this 3a plus 4 to left hand side, then you will get a square minus 3a minus 4 equal to 0. So now find the roots of a. Then after finding the roots, substitute back in our logarithm expression. So what is the formula to find the roots of this quadratic equation? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Substitute all the values here. Then you will get 3 plus or minus square root of 25 over 2, which gives 3 plus or minus 5 by 2. So that is equal to 8 by 2, and another one is minus 2 by 2. So after cancelling we will get 4, and here we will get minus 1. So a values are 4 and minus 1. So now we substitute back in our logarithm expression. We consider a equal to log x with base 3. So first take a equal to 4. So now use one more logarithm property here. So that is log of a with base b, that is equal to n. We can write this as a equal to base power b power n. Similarly, use this property in our expression, that is we can write this x equal to base power 4, that is 3 power 4 is nothing but 81. So our one of the x value is 81. Let's go with the another a value, that is a equal to minus 1. Log x with base 3, that is equal to minus 1. So here also use the same property. So we can write that x equal to 3 power minus 1 is nothing but 1 over 3. So here we used logarithm with base 3. Next we are going to see how to solve this logarithm expression by using natural log. Take natural log on both sides. Now observe here natural log of x with power log x with base 3. So whatever in the power, it comes and stay in front according to our rule property of logarithm. So use that property here. So then our expression turns into log x with base 3 times ln x, that is natural x, that is equal to ln of 81 times x raised to the power of 3. Here ln of 81 times x raised to the power of 3, it is in the form of ln of ab. Ln of ab, we can write ln a plus ln b. Use that property here. So we can write this ln 81 plus ln x raised to the power of 3. This expression natural log of 81, we can write this natural log of 3 power 4. Whatever in the power, it comes and stay in front. Again use the property here. So it turns into 4 times ln 3 plus ln x raised to the power of 3. Here in the left hand side we have log x with base 3 times ln x. Now observe this expression. Log x with base 3, we can write this as log a with base b. We can write this log a with different base over log b with the same base. Use that property here. Now using this change base property, we can write our expression as log x with base e over log 3 with base e. This log x with base e, here the base is e. So whenever the base e, that is nothing but natural log. So this we can write it as ln x over ln 3, because here our base is with e. We can write this expression ln x over ln 3. So use that here. Ln x over ln 3 times ln x, that is equal to 4 times ln 3 plus whatever in the power it comes stay in front, that is 3 ln x. Here we have in fraction form. So to make it clear, multiply through by ln 3 on both sides. So we have to multiply to get over this fraction. So here ln 3, here ln 3 gets cancelled. So you are left with ln x whole power 2, that is equal to, open the bracket and expand the terms. So 4 times ln 3 which use ln square 3 plus 3 ln x times ln 3. Now rearrange terms to form a quadratic equation. Now this is a constant. This is lx whole raised to the power of 2 and this is lx term. So now we rearrange these terms. So ln x whole power 2 minus 3 ln x ln 3 minus 4 ln square 3, that is equal to 0. So to make it easier, let's consider ln x as some variable m. Then our expression turns into m power 3 minus 3 times ln x means m, 3m times ln 3 minus 4 into ln power 3, that is equal to 0. Now we convert into quadratic expression. Now using our quadratic formula, we can find the roots of this expression. So m equal to, what is the formula? Minus b plus r minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here a value is 1, b value is, and that is m quotient, that is minus 3 ln 3, and c value is minus 4 ln square 3. Our formula is minus b, so minus of our b value is minus 3 ln 3 plus or minus square root of b square, that is b square means minus 3 ln 3 whole power 2, which gives 9 ln square 3 minus 4ac. So 4ac nothing but 4 times a value is 1 and c value is minus 4 times ln square 3. 4 times 4 which is 60. Here negative sign, so minus, then ln square 3. So here minus of minus 16 ln square 3 over 2 times a is 1. Minus term minus, which is plus, and ln square 3 ln square 3, if you take common you will get 9 plus 16 which is 25. So that means 25 ln square 3. If you write this expression, we will get square root of 25 times square root of ln square 3. So square root of 25, the value is 5. times, here square and square root gets cancelled, you will get ln 3 only. 5 times ln 3, and here minus term minus, which is plus, so plus 3 ln 3 plus or minus 5 ln 3 upon 2. So the m values are 3 ln 3 plus 5 ln 3 over, that is one value. Another value is 3 ln 3 minus 5 ln 3 over 2. ln 3 is common. Let's take it common ln 3. So you are left with only 3 plus 5, which is 8. 8 ln 3 over 2, which is 4 ln 3. This we can write it as ln 3 power 4. So now observe another value. This here ln 3, here ln 3. You ln 3 take it as common. Then you are left with only 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5, which gives minus 2. Here 2 gets cancelled. So you will get only minus 1 times ln 3. So whatever the multiply, it goes and stay in the power. So you can write ln 3 power minus 1. So we got two values of m. So now substitute back in our logarithm exponent. That is, we consider m equal to ln x. Instead of m, you can substitute ln x, that is equal to ln 3 power 4. So now use the one more property, that is log of a with base b, that is equal to n. We can write this as a equal to b power n. Use that property here. Here ln is nothing but natural log. So here the base is e. So x equal to base power, that is e power ln 3 power 4. This e and ln are opposite functions, so we can cancel these two. We will get x equal to 3 power 4. And same like that, use it here also. Ln x equal to ln 3 power minus 1 with base e. So we can write this x equal to e power ln 3 power minus 1. Cancel out these two. We will get 3 power minus 1, that is equal to 1 over 3. In natural log also, we'll get x values are x equal to 3 power 4 and 1 over 3. The logarithm expression in both methods represents the same value. That's it. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel and give your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching.